Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I purchased this cast iron skillet from the Goodwill. It's full of rust. Paid $20. So I added some dish soap and some water, and I'm using this scrubbing pad and kind of just scrubbing the bottom of this pan, trying to get all this rust out of it. This is a 12-inch large cast iron skillet. It is very heavy. It did not come with the lid. I looked all over for it. But anyway, I'm just continuing scrubbing until this foamy stuff come up, and it's like the rust mixed in with some suds. So now I'm going to take that skillet and rinse it out in my sink and just trying to rinse all that soap and suds out of it. See, it's clean. Now I am going to take a few paper towels and I'm going to completely dry the cast iron skillet out, making sure that I get all of that water off of it, because that's what really causes cast iron to get rusty, is when people leave water in it and the water sets in it for so long and it just starts rusting. So after this, I am going to take some grease excuse me, some bacon grease, and I'm going to oil this skillet up really good on the inside and out. And there's the grease that I have melted down, and I'm going to start rubbing the bottom of the skillet with that grease, and I'm also going to rub the inside of that skillet with that grease. Then I'm going to wipe the excess oil grease off of the skillet, and I'm going to put it away. Thank you for watching.